You're watching market headlines. At the Jakarta Composite Index Interim movement earlier today, JCI was open at the level of 7,055.88, and then approaching the closing time in the first session, the index was on the level of 7,061.65, and then the index was showing strengthening trend by the second session closing time. Index was closed at the level of 7,102.39, and in short, JCI went up 0.81%. And next, we're going to see the sectoral movement leading the dynamics of today's trading. We got basic sector as the leader of strengthening trend. That went up 1.24%. Infrastructure went up 1.22%. Energy sector went up 0.92%. And technology went down 1.16%. And moving on to top gainers and top losers, here are the key highlights from today's trading session. Bumi went up 2.89% to the level of 178 rupiah per share. Telkom Indonesia went up 1.66% to the level of 4,280 rupiah per share. Antam went up 4.44% to the level of 2,000 rupiah per share. BBRI went up 0.86% to the level of 4,690 rupiah per share. And meantime, the top losers for today's trading, we got Pigas, who went down 4.88% to the level of 1,850 rupiah per share. TCPI went down 0.7% to the level of 10,625 rupiah per share. PNLF went down 6.42% to the level of 510 rupiah per share. ITMG went down 0.06% to the level of 43,575 rupiah per share. And next, we're going to see the intraday movement of rupiah towards US dollar. Open at the level of 15,686 rupiah, showing strengthening trend towards US dollar, and it would close at the level of 15,632. In summary, rupiah went up 0.6%. Sampoerna Agro will distribute interim dividends for fiscal year 2022 worth 163.67 billion rupiah or 90 rupiah per share. The interim dividend will be distributed on November 29, 2022. Sampoerna Agro will distribute dividends interim for fiscal year 2022 worth 163.67 billion rupiah. The company's directors have decided to distribute an interim cash dividend for the financial year ending December 31st, 2022, amounting to 90 rupiah per share. The distribution of interim dividends is in accordance with the decision of the Board of Directors, which has been approved by the Board of Commissioners on November 1st, 2022. The date for the list of shareholders who are entitled to dividends is November 15, 2022. Meanwhile, the payment of this interim dividend will be paid on November 29, 2022. Looking at the company's performance based on the financial statements, the company recorded a net profit of 806.32 billion rupiah in the third quarter of 2022. This number increased by 58.2% compared to a net profit of 509.66 billion rupiah in the third quarter of 2021. The increase in profit was supported by the company's revenue growth, where revenue was recorded at 3.91 trillion rupiah. IDX Channel reports.